Hello and welcome to Zankar Pulse. Today is Friday, November 7th, 2025, and we are here to kickstart your day with a jolt of energy and the latest updates. Let's dive into the weather. Across India, November generally brings dry and sunny conditions with comfortably low humidity levels. You can expect pleasant temperatures, with the southern states like Goa and Kerala seeing highs around 32 degrees Celsius, while central regions and cities like Delhi and Rajasthan will likely hover around the high 20s. Up north, average daytime temperatures in the Himalayas are cooler, around 15 degrees. Specifically for Pune, get ready for another beautiful day. November in Pune is characterized by mild temperatures and clear skies, with highs generally ranging between 29 degrees Celsius and 31 degrees Celsius, and nighttime lows around 17 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees. There's a very low chance of rain, making it perfect weather for exploring the city. Now, for a special announcement from Zankar Studio, we are excited to announce a hands-on workshop on effective reel making running from November 9th to November 11th. Whether you're a budding creator or looking to sharpen your skills, this is for you. To register and unleash your inner filmmaker, contact us at 876 5587 266. Don't miss out. Moving on to the world of entertainment, there's a lot buzzing for our Gen Z and local audience. On the OTT front, get ready for a packed weekend. Today, November 7th, marks the premiere of Maharani Season 4 and the supernatural drama mystery Barambulla on Netflix, starring Manav Kaul. Also, Marvel fans can catch Fantastic Four First Steps streaming on Jio Hotstar since November 5th, offering cosmic science-driven heroics for all ages. In Marathi cinema, a few new films are hitting the screens today, November 7th, 2025. Keep an eye out for Abhanga Tukaram, Kadipatta and Teen Payancha Ghoda. Also, Mahesh Manjrekar's Punha Shivaji Raje Bhosle recently received clearance from the Bombay High Court for its release despite a copyright dispute generating significant buzz. For literature lovers, HarperCollins India is set to publish a much-anticipated memoir by acclaimed comedian Veer Das this month. In other literary news, Bookleaf Publishing will be launching monthly open mic nights and literary gatherings in Delhi starting December, aiming to foster community for writers working in English, Hindi, and even Hinglish. And for audiobook enthusiasts, November is bringing some major titles. A groundbreaking full-cast edition of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, featuring dozens of acclaimed actors and Dolby Atmos sound design, is a top release. Also, look out for powerful memoirs from Sir Anthony Hopkins and Michelle Obama, along with thrilling new fiction, including John Grisham's first-ever whodunit, The Widow. Here are your Zankar Pulse daily tips. For writers, don't wait for inspiration, create a consistent writing routine. Even 30 minutes a day can lead to incredible progress. For voiceover artists, practice sight-reading scripts from various genres. The ability to interpret and deliver instantly is a powerful skill. And now your daily quote for a dose of positivity. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Join Zankar LMS at https://elearn.zankarstudios.com for various courses to fuel your creative journey. Have a creative day ahead.